morning lovies. Y'all know what to do, so go ahead and do the right thing and keep in the loop. Okay, so today what I'll be doing for you guys is I will be unboxing my dog house. His name will be Kyle. Okay, so the box is right here. It's hella big, by the way. I really didn't expect such a big package. Me can't assemble it by myself, so I'll have somebody come in and do that for me. I just called him and him saying still a come. He was supposed to come from yesterday, but I don't know. Peeps got life, okay? All right, so other from the box, I don't even know if this is a thing, but other from the box. Okay, so other from the house, I have also this package that I've been so excited to open, but I'm trying to save it for the video. This is his bowl. So far I've gotten his bowl, the dog house, his bed, shampoo, harness, and a leash. That's what I got so far. So stay tuned. I will be doing it. It won't be me, but you know what it is. So I'm here and I'm still waiting on the man to assemble my dog house. I'm really excited, and to be honest, I'm getting me anxious. I know the puppy's not here as yet, but I'm trying to prepare, right? He might mess with my whole video, my whole everything, because he was supposed to come from yesterday and he's still not here. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that him show up, because like I need to see what's inside the box. I'm excited. Like, I'm super duper excited. I need to get my video up and running. I need to get my video, like, man, where are you? Where are you? And then on the other hand, me with Pam baby, him up on the phone. I'm waiting on him to get ready for morning so that we can just, I don't know what we're gonna do, because we're here waiting on the man still. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm really excited because he is here to assemble my dog house. Well, I don't really that alone him come for though, but you know, I'm gonna have him do that too. So easier, and I hope me get this up and running, because Babe's up on him phone, so I gotta be shouting because I don't want everybody to hear what he is saying. So the man is here, the man is here, the man is here. I'm excited. Y'all stay tuned for this unboxing of Kyle's bed. I mean, house. Alright, so I'm reaching him there. Him the one expert on this one. I do I'm really comfortable. But I'm gonna get him to do that shit for me. Can't do it. I can't. Okay? I would try, but Mm-hmm. By the way, I got a little screwdriver with the house, which is, I think it's super adorable. And obviously it came with a manual as well, which the man never need that, and he never need the screwdriver, but that's good. Had these two parts, I'm not really sure, but I know say yes of them for go. I don't know, it's supposed to be like, I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know where them two something for me, but I'm sure say this side and the other side it must go. So I'm so excited. I love Kyle's house. I'm in love. And thank God I may never get one of the defaulted ones. Okay, so I'm trying to put this end part of the video quick and fast because the lighting is getting horrible outside. It's a bit bleak here at like after 2 or maybe after 2 now. So yes. When you see Kyle house, Kyle go on with himself and so. So I'm gonna show y'all what I have, the rest of stuff that I have for him. Alright, so this is his bed. I got this from PriceSmart. The house, I bought it on Amazon from, I soon tell you now. Alright, so this is his shampoo. I'm super excited, y'all. I'm super excited. Okay, so this is an harness and a leash. I got these from Amazon as well. Alright, so this is his harness. I don't even know if I pronounce it right, but yeah, blue and stuff. Cause you know he's a boy. Alright, so actually didn't pull out them something. Babe said the leash flimsy, so I have to go upgrade the leash one of these days, but it can go and work for now. Alright, so that is 4 stuff out of the way. I'm gonna open his bowl now. Guys, I did not see this. Okay, so y'all will be seeing it with me for the first time. I have a lot more things to get, but I'm taking my time while I prepare for this baby. Yeah, I take my time. I'm taking my time, okay. I look like this a slide. Oh, look at the time I say it's a slide. Anyway. Why the box look so? The box look like somebody was playing with it. Anyways, I don't know. It should be closed, but when them people are carrying things, them just go on with themselves the most. Alright, so this is it. To be honest, everything is bigger than I thought. Ooh, I like it. So this is the slow feeders section. Y'all, may I learn a whole heap of things. I've never owned a dog, but I've always wanted a dog. You know, I'm afraid of them big one there, them big pit bull and so. I'm really scared of those. I'm terrified. But the pet dogs, I've always wanted one of those little fluffy fluffy babies. So it's a couple days later. I get some more packages. Excited to pull them. So I'm gonna drop this in. It's the 18th of February. March, I mean. I don't know why I'm still in February. It's the 18th of March. And I'm gonna get some more things to Kyle and I'm gonna be unpacking them. Oh my god. Tripod is coming. Alright, so this is the other one. Some poop bags supposed to be in it and some toothpaste and toothbrush. And they're supposed to have a leash, car leash, and a collar. I ordered the name tag thing. I don't see that come all now. I don't know like that last in transit. But anyways, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. What's my second packaging like this? Anyways. Okay. I got it. Okay, so this is supposed to be the car thing, leash to the car. So that when we going out, this up on the back of the car. Okay, I'm liking this. This is from Amazon. I'm not really sure exactly. Okay, this is giving. I like this. Quality feel nice too. Just type in car leash. Actually, if me have my other phone, would I look exactly what's the seller's name? But me know say Amazon, but none of them make it, you know? Yeah. Me try put it in somewhere, somehow. In the description or something. Anyways, on to the other one. Okay, so this is supposed to be the color. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. It have a reflect upon it. Okay, small. I like it. Feel like good quality again from Amazon, guys. From Amazon, yeah, it's giving. Kyle went with himself. Kyle come outside. Alright, so I'm gonna open the poop bag, the other package now with the poop bag and the toothbrush. Right, I also did get a mixed bag, not a baby's package. But me I show you anyway. Alright, so this babes with that scent. I'll cut out the party. Why? Editing? My editing is not. It's not really nice. By the way, I have to tell you in this too, I don't like my hairstyle. I tell you before you tell me. How y'all doing? That's nice. Okay. Me hear when Amazon do them something, yeah? You just pick up pounds and pounds. Alright. Smaller than I expected, but okay. And it's beef flavor. Beef. Oh my god. It's horrible, but okay. Again from Amazon. And it comes with a little, I guess that I feel cover the top of it. Alright. I like how I do this. Instead of put the package in two different something, I just put them in one. That is good. Very excellent Amazon. Because I guess them just have them at the factory at Amazon. I have some more stuff to come. And when them come, I'm gonna be unboxing those things. I'm excited. I like them something. But Kyle start out though. Kyle is starting out. Alright.
I don't know why Amazon is written all over all the bags, but okay. Okay. Alright. And one is already in there. So I guess you can put this onto the leash when you're walking a dog. And screw. Okay, so this is the poop holder thingy. And I guess I got those oatmeal from now, I'm excited. Why? By the way, this is a couple days later. After I'm also set up and ting. Okay, alright. I like it. I might have enough bags to last me for a lifetime. It's like, I think 600 bags or something like that. I don't remember. But anyways. Alright, so that's all I have for him today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and please remember to hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe button, okay? Love you, lovies.